It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Command APS integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, keyless go, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and twin turbo V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard in driving forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,